Hello there, this is from Carvel Machinery Technology Company in China. For this video, I would like to make a test for the new finished 5 liters model needle mixer vacuum function, just newly finished for Salvador plant. And for the vacuum system, before we start it, we must keep the 4 bonds around the lid, make them fasten. Okay, this is the first step. And then this is a vacuum meter, and this is the vacuum release valve. We keep it closed and connected pipe on the buffer tank with vacuum pump, and this is also a valve. When we make the vacuum, we need to keep the valve here on. Okay, and then we start the vacuum pump and check the working. This is vacuum start and vacuum stop, and we start it. Now the vacuum pump work. We can check from the vacuum meter. It is increasing the vacuum degree. This is the inside situation. Because we use a good quality vacuum pump, so it is low noise. This is the main motor vacuum pump. The whole part vacuum system. Now the vacuum meter, we can check. Consistently increasing the vacuum degree. Slowly it's increasing. Please note that during the actual working situation, once the chamber filled with some material during the mixing, just filled with some material within the chamber, it will increasing more quickly. Okay. Now we can see. Even in this situation, it reached the 0.09 vacuum degree. It is no problem. And now it's getting more. Okay. So at this position, I would like to stop the vacuum pump. I have stopped it. And then I would like to close the valve here. And check the vacuum degree. Okay. Even I stopped the vacuum pump, it kept about 0.09, so no problem. It is no problem for the vacuum function. This is a simple test for the 5 liters model needle mixer vacuum function. Thanks for watching.